Lesson number 4. Okay, ito na yung part na medyo masakit pakinggan. Pero kailangan mo tong marinig. The market doesn't care about you. Walang paki yung market kahit na birthday ko ngayon. Walang paki yung market kahit na nagdasal ka bago ka mag-enter ng trade. Walang paki yung market kahit na sabihin mong deserve ko to. And that's the harsh reality that separates amateurs from the pros. Kasi maraming trader, they take their losses personally. Pag natalo sila, feeling nila sinadya ng market. Feeling nila manipulated yung market. Pero habang tumatagal, na-realize ko, hindi naman talaga ako victim ng market eh. Victim lang ako ng sarili kong ego. Kasi ang market, neutral lang naman yan eh. Hindi siya mabait, hindi rin siya masama. Wala siyang emosyon. Ikaw lang ang may emosyon. At yun ang kalaban mo. At doon ko naalala, the market doesn't reward confidence. It rewards discipline. Hindi mo pwedeng puwersahin yung market na ibigay sa'yo yung gusto mo. Ang pwede mo lang magawa is mag-react sa ginagawa ng market. Kaya nga ang ganda ng quote na trade what you see, not what you feel. So if ever sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na kailangan kong manalo today, take a step back. The market doesn't owe you a profit. Walang utang sa'yo yung chart. The moment you stop trying to control the market is the moment you start controlling yourself.